following message is being transmitted at the request of the state of Arizona, in conjunction with the North American Aerospace Defense Command. Several unidentified flying objects have been spotted across Arizona this evening. These objects are fast-moving and hard to detect. Due to this, the exact number of UFOs are unknown currently. Everyone is advised to stay indoors and stay tuned for more information.
We have breaking news regarding the UFO crisis in Arizona. The president is due to make a statement about the crisis soon.
Good evening, America. Numerous UFOs have been spotted across multiple states, including the District of Columbia. This is a major threat to national security. We have deployed several fighter jets including the F-22, F-16 and B-2 stealth bombers to counter this threat. We have called upon our NATO allies for assistance as well. We urge everyone to stay inside and to monitor this threat closely.
That was the President of the United States speaking on behalf of the nation about the UFO crisis. KTUA News at 10 will be right back.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command. Several UFOs have landed on U.S. soil. Entities have exited the UFO. These entities have been identified as green, tall, and skinny. If you see the entity, avoid all contact with it. It is unclear whether or not these entities are hostile. Please avoid all contact with these entities, and stay tuned for more information. Attention. This is a global alert. The United Nations have declared a global emergency. Just a few moments ago, we have discovered that the entities from the UFOs are hostile and pose an immediate risk to life and property. A confirmed 300 million people are dead and several hundred million are injured. This is a cataclysmic event. Soon, all life will likely be wiped out. There is no chance for survival. There is no hope. There is